as I said, some of you are using Samsung phone and iPhone 11 or iPhone 11 Pro. So these displays are very bright than the normal, my poor PhD phone, iPhone 8. Anyways, so the question to yourself from me that how many of you use today WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or Telegram? How many of you use today to communicate? That's a lot. So that's how actually social media got our information, that how much we communicate and develop algorithms. So back to my organic materials. So the organic materials are based on carbon and hydrogen. So some materials look like ring. I have put my ring on these organic semiconductors. So these are like organic materials. This is completely on carbon and hydrogen. And this is also organic materials. But there are fluorine and some nitrogen. There are double bonds and single bonds. Everything is there. And also triple bond. But these are the small molecules. There are chains of molecules. So I'm working basically with the small molecules. Now, as I talked to you about the interfaces, some of you might don't talk to each other over phone or face-to-face that much. Thanks to these interfaces, we talked over these things. But otherwise, we are like, individually, we are like insulators. These materials actually act like the same way. When they are part airways, they act like insulator. But when they are put together, they actually exchange charge between them. So how I find these things? So one of this material actually worked as a donor, which is this donor, and then one of the material act as a acceptor according to their highest molecular orbital level and lowest molecular orbital level. This should be matched. And then we put them together. This is crystal form, and this is film form. Crystal form because the structural form is actually very good for studying fundamental properties of the material. And then we put connector, electrical wire next to at their interfaces and find out what actually going on in between these two, how many charges are transferring from one material to each material. And that's how I explore electrical properties of the material. So, yeah. Next time your device is nice, find me in there. Thank you.